So studying the Bible is much like excavation. You dig and dig and dig to discover something valuable. The problem with some Bible students is that they don't have the tools needed to get deeper in their studies. The SFP study system will help you as a struggling Bible student learn to deepen your studies and finally maximize the amount of Bible truths you can discover in one study session. I've been studying the Bible now for about 12 years, and it wasn't until 6 years ago that I finally learned about all the tools needed for me to dig deeper in my studies. I observed all of my favorite pastors and preachers to see what exact method they would use to be able to discover all these biblical truths, and I finally got it. I started seeing a pattern that some of the deepest Bible teachers out there would use, and I don't think they are even aware that they are using it. And so with what I had just discovered, and through prayer and diligent work, I created a system that anyone can use to be able to dig and discover new things to be revealed from the Bible. If you are a struggling Bible student wanting to deepen your studies, go to schoolforprophets.tv and take the Unlock the Bible Beginner course and learn how to maximize your discovery of Bible truth. Praise God always, and I'll see you there.